Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is a market profile learning video for the index Nifty, Bank Nifty and FINNIFTY for tomorrow's analysis, August 14th kana analysis. Also for commodity market, crude oil, silver and natural gas. So this is a learning video of market profile. Kindly do your analysis before you take any kind of trades. So market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base everyday live trading session we are doing an analysis for stock and for index. So purely market profile learning analysis we are doing. So if you are really interested to learn the market profile, then this could be a better platform. And also if you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share and subscribe my channel so that it can also go to the next person who need this kind of market profile analysis. So getting into the Nifty chart. So Nifty பார்க்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து நாளைக்கு US CPI inflation data is going to release. So with that information we'll have the index. Nifty ஓட ஒரு view பார்க்கலாம். இன்னைக்கு வந்து most of the இன்னைக்கு வந்து index பார்த்தீங்கன்னா OTF sellers. So we could find OTF sellers in all the three index, especially in the banking oda private banks la pathina HDFC was having OTF sellers and ICICI OTF sellers, Kotak Bank vandu OTF sellers and Nifty PSU banks especially OTF sellers. So it was very evidently proved like OTF sellers was there in the market. Ellame namakku individual stocks நம்ம வந்து track பண்ணோம் on live market. So we see everything showing OTF sellers. So today is the day for OTF sellers in private banks and PSU banks as well. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was open almost in the range of yesterday. So market is clearly having a resistance on 24,400 which has created as AB poor high. So market could not cross that level. In the live market also we have a complete analysis between 24,400 and 24,300. The perfect range Nifty was so long maintained during the initial balance period. The market was holding for a longer time between 24,300 to 400 and then market, because it was the base support, it was a minor support as we expected in the previous time. So 24,300 was protected and then onwards it was clearly OTF sellers. So OTF sellers வந்து continue ஆனாங்க. Market was almost closed at the bottom, that is 24,100, which is a perfect support zone which we expected below. But 24,200 also broken because peacock வந்து create பண்ணாங்க. The OTF sellers are very stronger. They broken the every level of support and 2400 they found a stop. It was also the days of 8th August order support zone, and 2400 we previously know it has many references before. So if you see this kind of poor low has been created in the level of 2400 zone. So obviously this is going to be the one of the stop which we have discussed in previous times video. So perfect Nifty அந்த இடத்துல OTF sellers ஓட stop find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா small IB maintain பண்ணிருக்காங்க and POC at top but closing at bottom. So market வந்து if at all the immediate resistance for Nifty is 24,400 to 450. 400 is a poor high and 450 is a POC rejection, and obviously the above 500 definitely ஒரு acceptance is required, and above this level 550 is a clear rejection for Nifty. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே there is a clear rejection, the clear resistance zone. So base support is 24,100. And if you see the minor levels, that is the important level 24,300 and 24,200, these are the levels which Nifty was taking as a support so far. So these are the levels is turning as resistance again. 24,300 and 24,200 again could be a resistance. So Nifty if at all break this level 2400 வந்து break பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா obviously the Nifty could find anywhere a support in the level of 23,900 to 24,000, because it's a very important level. 24,000 above market was holding for a longer time Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே. So it's a very important level to see, 24,000, 23,900 to 24,000. Because it's a clear POC. And also if you see below, there is a single trend zone which is at the level of 23,800, which is again going to be a buying support இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. So if at all Nifty breaks 24,000, then there is an immediate support system or the smart money presence which has been in the level of 23,800. So 750 to 800, anywhere it could take a support. So moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was very clear having a AB. It was clear having a poor high. So at the level of 5700, so 5700 market ko resistance create aayirukku. Market was opened on single print of yesterday. Market don't have the buying pressure because 700 onwards till 800 is a clear POC and rejection. So market was exactly got resisted in this level. So it's going to be the first level of resistance, and the second level on above this POC definitely 51,000 is going to be a next level. From 5900 onwards 51,000 is going to be the superb resistance zone for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is having clear OTF sellers when the double confirmation along with single print also placed, and volume factor at the level of 5300. So if you see very clearly, market was holding in the range of between 5600 to 5500 for a longer time. So nariya vaati and the maximum consolidation pannirukanga 5500 to 5600, and then it was clearly having OTF sellers because all the private banks and most of the private banks, and if you see PSU banks as well, Nifty oda PSU bank oda index pathina, it was very clear having OTF sellers. So market is clearly breaking all the support zone one by one, that is 5400 and 5300, which we have a immediate support system of yesterday. Also it was clearly broken, and the PPOC also broken. So everything was broken and found a final support at 50,000. That is an important reference which we have discussed in the previous times of video, that is 49,900 to 49,900 to 50,000. Anywhere Bank Nifty could take a support அப்படின்றத பார்த்தோம். Bank Nifty could found a stop here. So Bank Nifty actually found a stop in the level of 49,900 to 50k. So obviously this is going to be the 2 days of support, and also it was a previous times the support system for Bank Nifty. So market அந்த இடத்தை வந்து perfect support find பண்ணி close பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So below this support level னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா market பொறுத்தவரையுமே it was very clear like 49,800 because it was the last 2 days of 5th and 6th of August. So அதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா market Bank Nifty was almost top வந்து they started to go up every time. They started to have the POC upside every time. But today it was the OTF sellers day. So market is clearly saying that, evidently proving that OTF sellers and with a double confirmation of single print, so taken the every kind of support system and they achieved this 50,000 support system. So further இன்னும் கீழ இறங்குறாங்கன்னா this is going to be the important reference because after this only market was slowly getting upside. So 49,800, this is going to be the important support zone, and obviously 49,600, which is many times poor low has been created at this level. So market found a complete or support system find panel level 49,600 and 49,500 as well. So these are the important level of support system for Bank Nifty as well. So tomorrow it's a weekly expiry for Bank Nifty. So நம்ம வந்து live trading sessions we are focusing mainly for the index and for the index based stocks. So நம்ம வந்து we are tracking it immediately. So எல்லா index based stocks ஓட movement நம்ம வந்து track பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கோம். So tomorrow also we'll do that. And FINNIFTY பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா again OTF sellers with the double confirmation like Bank Nifty, it was open on buying single print. Market don't have the pressure, buying pressure, so formed a selling excess exactly in the level of 23k or resistance create பண்றாங்க. So market don't have the buying strength above 23k. So obviously 23k and 23k 100 to 150 anywhere market could face a resistance on this level. So if at all market is coming downside, like OTF sellers வந்து நல்லாவே எவிடென்ட்டா ப்ரூவ் ஆகுது, and market was holding till 22,900 to 850 for a longer time. பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய வாட்டி அந்த இடத்துல PPOC support system-உம் நம்ம find பண்ணிருந்தோம். So we have been looking in the market in the live trade like OTF sellers வந்தாங்க, but they found a complete stop here. So ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு stop வந்து find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. That is the reason this PPOC has been created. So every POC and PPOC is definitely for a reason. So whatever we are discussing in market profile is all of the things are definitely for a reason. So they'll give a lot of hints like this. So we have to join the hints and then form an analysis. So like this POC was holding this for a longer time, more than பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 2 hours கிட்ட hold பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and more than 2 hours hold பண்ணிருக்காங்க in the levels 22,900. And then what happened, because it was having a OTF sellers, the pressure of sellers are dominant today. So 22,900 தான் volume factor POC-யும் create பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and we know it is a very important level. Market was having a double confirmation with the selling single print. Market closed at the bottom. So we have the resistance and 22,900 intraday resistance avum create pannirukanga, and further we do have 750 as a resistance of selling single print today. So if at all market வந்து இந்த லெவலுக்கும் கீழே வராங்க, that is 22,000 where they could found a stop. So market found a stop in the level of 22,700 today. So in the level kum கீழ வராங்க அப்படினா obviously 22,600 where market found a stop in the date of 6th of August. So market வந்து அந்த dateல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா if you see FINNIFTY on this day, it was having selling excess. It was having selling single prints, two selling single prints. Market had closed at the bottom. So perfectly it got a support on 22,600 where the minor level of support also can be expected at this level. So in the level la vandu or support system find agudha அப்படின்றது FINNIFTY la பார்க்கலாம் 22,600, and if not obviously 22,500 could be the next level of reference, because 500 to 550 it's a clear PPOC. So this is going to be the level of support system for FINNIFTY, that is 500 to 550. Anywhere they could take a support. So immediate support system available for FINNIFTY. So any kind of buying வந்து அந்த support system வந்து find பண்றாங்களா அப்படின்றது we can also check. So moving on to commodity market. So crude oil பொறுத்தவரையுமே நேத்து நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம், it is a very important level அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம், which is a important level of PPOC அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். So market was exactly having this PPOC at the level of 6,700. So market could be in a நேத்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was having a single prints and market was closed above this level, above the single prints க்கு மேல தான் close கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, but exactly having a PPOC rejection yesterday. So market now is having clear, market is now having a balance over this level of 6,700. So PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. 6,700 above market is clearly having a resistance at the level of 6,760 to 6,800. Anywhere it could take a resistance because it was a single print resistance before. So market could face any kind of resistance over here. So and the immediate support system for crude oil is definitely the single prints, because down la varanga appadina where now volume is also associated with the level of today. But if at all market is coming on downside, then obviously the buying single print, because yesterday it was super bullish, market opened below 6,480. You know, 480 is the important reference which we discussed yesterday. So market opened below this level of 6,480 where the previous day was not, இந்த டே வந்து அவங்களால இந்த லெவலை வந்து கிராஸ் பண்ண முடியல. So 6,480 ல the market was super bullish having single prints and closing, and if you see it was clear OTF yesterday. So yesterday crude oil பொறுத்தவரை it was clear OTF, and today it was almost balancing that level, which is telling like market if at all coming down, this single print, this smart money zone could be a best level of reference, that is 6,600, and above level also the resistance is very clear in crude oil. So moving on to silver. Silver பொறுத்தவரையுமே yesterday it was super bullish, market opened at this level and it was super bullish with the single print smart money zone, and market is having a kind of P-shaped profile with a resistance zone, that is 81,700 is a clear resistance zone which we have seen before, because it was the single print zone. It was the single print that was created on the date of 2nd of August, which we also discussed. This is going to be a resistance zone அப்படின்னு பார்த்திருந்தோம். So market found a stop over there and they could not continue this level because it was turned as resistance. So 81,700 onwards price acceptance is definitely required above this level. But if you see on downside, market was almost in the PPOC oda rejection அதான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து place பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Market is almost at the downside because it has a clear resistance, single print zone of resistance, and market could not cross that level obviously. So they have a clear resistance on PPOC. So what happened, market is almost at the down. So if at all market is coming on downside, then obviously the single print zone, that is 80,800, which is an important reference in silver, could act as a support because it was the smart money entry of yesterday. But again, if you see market was trying to go upside, then obviously they should cross and have a price acceptance above 81,800. So the resistance and the support zone is very clear in silver too. So moving on to natural gas. So natural gas பொறுத்தவரையுமே it was having a clear PPOC as rejection of yesterday and PPOC as rejection of as a support of today. So பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was the previous times, that is the day before yesterday, 9th of August ஓட, that is 9th of August ஓட POC பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was almost, that is PPOC பாத்தீங்கன்னா almost here in the zone of 181. That is 181 is a strong level of support system. நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம், market was almost crossing this level. So நேத்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was again, if you see, OTF buyers, market was open above the resistance and complete OTF buyers are இருந்தாங்க. But 189 to 90 there is a strong single print. So sorry, there is a strong poor high. So poor high exactly the placed on 19th July, 23rd July, and the poor high concept pathina perfect. It worked on this day also because it got perfect rejection before days la edutha poor high da innethum work aayirukku. So market was completely struck on 190 zone. So on the zone வந்து perfect rejection zone மாறி இருக்கு. Again OTF sellers வந்து turn பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market was completely having OTF sellers, and today market was taking this level as PPOC support. Market open and having a POC or PPOC rejection of yesterday because it was the 188 lane 189 variyume clear ஆன ஒரு resistance zone. So market is now in between the zone. So on breaking this level definitely ஒரு acceptance வேணும், and also on the downside they should cross below 181. So inside la பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was almost a range market today. So natural gas வந்து almost it has took a support now. So almost it has took a support. Market is having almost in the PPOC line தான் இப்ப rejection face பண்றாங்க. So anywhere above side la acceptance zone, down side la acceptance is definitely required. In between then it is a range market for today. So I think I have covered all. So kindly do your analysis before you take trade for trading, and kindly do, and thank you so much for all your participation. Thanks for your time. If you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.